So like when the motion of an object is well influenced by the force. See how? Okay, so there are multiple effects of a force, so let's consider them one by one. Okay. Okay, suppose one object is in state of rest, and you apply force on it, then the object which is in state of rest will start moving. So it means a force can create motion in an object which is in state of rest. So from rest to motion, if object is in state of rest and you apply some force on it, then the object would start moving. So motion is actually generated by this force. So this is first effect of force on an object which is in state of rest. Now second case, the opposite is also possible. Suppose the object is already in state of motion and you apply some force on it, okay, then that will actually slow down, that can slow down the motion of uh, 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 that can slow down the speed of a moving object. So the first case was if the object is in state of motion or is in rest state, the force actually can actually create some motion in that object. Second case is if the object is already in state of motion, it can slow down the speed of a moving object, and it can also speed up, not only slow down, it can speed up as well. The second case may be slow down or it can speed up. Okay, this is one another case in which if the object is already in state of motion, then and you apply some force on it, then the speed of moving object can increase by this external force. If the object is, the first case was if the object is in rest state, then the force can cause to move it from one point to another point. The second case was that if a force is applied on an object, it can slow down the moving object. The third case is it can speed up a moving object. And now the last one is it can change the direction of a moving object. So last case is change in direction. So this is our last case in which a force can change the direction of a moving object. Like in case of badminton, the shuttle is moves in one direction, you apply force and like it starts moving in opposite direction. Then similarly in case of table tennis, in case of like other games, you apply force to change the direction of already moving object. So these are few possibilities in which we can see the effect of a force on an object.